Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 40th program. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it. We'll type the program. How to display table and use row span attribute. We'll start with HTML tag. This is also the basic program of row span attribute. We'll start with HTML tag. Now head tag. Now title tag. We'll give title. Now we'll end title tag. Now we'll end head tag. Now body. Here we'll give table border equals to 1. Now align. Center. Now tr tag. Th span. Here we'll give 2. Here we'll give heading. And we'll end th tag. Now we'll end tr tag. And again we'll start tr tag. Now td tag. Yogasans. And here we write benefits. Now we'll end tr tag. Td tag. Here we'll write asans names. Tadasan. We'll end td tag. Now td tag with row span equals to 3. Healthy body. Now we'll end td tag. Here we write asans names. Vriksasan. fixation, and now we'll end tr tag and tr. Here we write Asan's name, which is Naukasan. Now we'll end tr tag and table tag. Now we'll end body tag and similarly HTML tag. Now we'll save it with extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. So this is the basic output, but there might be some problems, so we'll check. So here there is space, so we have to remove the space. After removing space, now we'll check. The benefits. So here there is mistake, so we'll clear the mistake and now let us once again check the output. So here it comes, the basic output, the yogasans and the benefits, how we have used ROWSPAN attribute. And don't forget to check the tags of HTML in description.